Hello, my name is Josie. This book is about a girl with a love of acting. The name of the book is My Homework Ate My Homework. In the book, the main character, Zaritza, has to watch her classroom Farah over her break. The Farah eats her math homework, so she has to come up with a good enough excuse for what happened to it. Will she come up with a good enough excuse? You'll have to read it and find out. Later in the book, her school is putting on a big play, Calamity Jane, and because her dad gave her a love of acting, she is set on getting the lead role. When she auditions and doesn't get the lead role of Calamity Jane, what will she do? You'll have to read it and find out. It's a great book and you can find it at your local library.